Here from AUDJPY. We're taking a look at the the AUDJPY on the daily chart. Now, what we're looking at is continuation. We can see it just here. So we can see this is the area of interest for me. Just the backup to this is we have a nice trend, we have a new fast trend, we have a higher low, and we have that higher low forming with support after a move down. We can see that the bars sort of, in a pattern decreased in size as they moved down. It wasn't a great example of that, but it does still sort of hold true. And we can see a real good indecision bar right down here, and then we can see nice strong bar buying today. So that's what sort of is giving us this idea of a continuation, and we can see where the indecision bar formed. It formed really nicely at a previous point of resistance, which turning into support in a continuation is a really good sign. It's a bullish sign, and we'll continue to look at that. Now, we can also see here we had a very nice breakout here. We have nice volume backing up that breakout. It broke out on this bar here, and we broke out and beat this resistance. A nice move up that retested that overall resistance here, and then we had a nice little pullback, and three bar slash 4 bar pullback, and as noted before, we saw it form support in the lower high in a very nice area, and we can see volume decreasing as well during that move. So all these signs are pointing towards a nice little idea for a continuation. We'll continue to look at that as a continuation. Now, what we want to see from buyers is hold today's bar, continue to push higher if possible. And then we'll look to see if we can see a new rally, get back up to test this resistance. Now, if today's bar fails and we see a close back around this area here, below last Friday's close and open, it's definitely a worry. If we see a close below there, I would say it's busted for now. And so we'll continue this to see if buyers can hold this. We really want to see a hold from buyers above last Friday's previous high, and the higher the better today, just to show that momentum is back in the market, and this signal bar here is actually accurate, and we're going to see a nice firm confirmation bar now. So we're going to see buying continue, and then we'll look to see what happens if we get back up to test this point of resistance. Now, it stopped the last rally, so we want to see buyers break it to really show us that this leg is going to continue to go up, continue to go higher. If we see a stall here, we want to see that trend line hold. If it fails, then we'll look to see if we get lower high back maybe into that area again, and then see if we get a new rally to begin. But for now, we'll continue to watch this bar today to see if this continuation idea does pan out. So there's some of the things we're watching, some of the price action that's caught our attention, and some of the factors that we'll continue to keep in the back of our mind as we progress throughout into the new from London to New York, watching how this continuation idea continues to pan out. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and if you agree or disagree, or if you think I've missed anything, or if there's anything you'd like to add, feel free to drop us a comment. Otherwise, if you'd like to make any other comments about the analysis, feel free, and then by all means continue to check out the other analysis we're putting out there as well, and our guest analyst this month, who's having a fantastic run at it as well. So thanks again, good trading to you, and bye for now.